The We Transform is being implemented under the theme Save a Child, Change a Nation, and targets some 242 children between the ages of 12 to 17 who are on remand or serving sentence within the 4 juvenile centers in the country. This program is one of the out-of-the-box strategies which we know will contribute to the reduction in youth offending and reoffending, and by extension, crime in Jamaica. The truth is, in our society, as in any other society, we do have young people who, from time to time, do have run-ins with the law. But offenders confined in correctional institutions are confronted by a range of challenges that tend to become obstacles in a crime-free lifestyle. Some of these challenges are results of past experiences, and others are more directly associated with the consequences of incarceration and the difficult transition back into the community. Several of these young offenders also have a history of social marginalization, physical and emotional abuse, and involvement in criminal lifestyle and gangs that have begun at an early age. Many are challenged by skill deficits that make it difficult for them to compete and to succeed in the community, poor interpersonal skills, and low level of formal education. And when you throw all of that with the prejudices of society, you need to go to prison, I not employ you. That is the reality of today's world. My ministry believes that each and every one of these young persons deserve a second chance in life. And we are committed to helping our young offenders to get back on the right side of the law and to remain there. This program falls squarely within the ministry's 5-pillar crime strategy, which speaks to reducing reoffending as the 5th critical pillar and aims at improving community reintegration for the offenders. If we're honest with ourselves, we will realize that even from an enlightened self-interest perspective, since most of our inmates will be released within 3 years, it certainly makes no sense to dehumanize these young people for that period of time before releasing them back to society. We have to show that those in conflict with the law that there are alternatives to a life of criminality. So the We Transform program is being implemented in 2 phases. Phase 1 will start immediately and will include youth engagement in innovative training in the academics, vocational education, employability and life skills, a mentorship and internship and job placement program, and an annual competition and exposition where the youth can showcase and publicize their talents, and a segment of healthy lifestyle where young offenders will be engaged in life skills training in substance abuse, reproductive health, and other health-related matters. Under phase 2, we will be engaging in parent engagement and training because we have too many parents that do not have the skills to be parents. So the parenting workshops will include staff, capacity building, training, and recognition. I am pleased to see that directly after the launch, there will be a competition and exposition on July 20 and mentorship days for boys and girls in November to include a football tournament for the boys and a pageant for the girls. It is becoming increasingly clear that successful interventions are those which begin while the offender is confined in a correctional institution and continue throughout his or her transition into the community, as well as those that offer assistance in an integrated and comprehensive manner and address the many interrelated challenges faced by offenders. If we do not intervene in the lives of our young people, there is no future for Jamaica. And this government will treat with and deal with these problems, not in a knee-jerk manner, but in a studied, deliberate, and targeted manner.